Hey, welcome to Charlie's Garage. So what we're looking at right here, this is a Honda Civic that was donated to Arizona Automotive Institute for us to use as a training aid that our students can work on and learn from. But the person who donated it to us said that it had a blown head gasket. And of course, they said they took it to a technician, and the technician told them that's what the issue was. But I think it might make a pretty good series on how do you verify that, right? So this is the first video, just the intro to the car and what the video is going to be. And we're going to talk about all the steps that are involved in a series of short videos. Because if you're like me, you have a short attention span. You don't want to watch a 30-minute video on how to figure this stuff out. Little snippets are probably best. So what we're going to do in future videos is we're going to talk about what kind of symptoms would be present if someone did have a blown head gasket, how you determine if it's a blown head gasket versus something else, and then eventually end up doing a compression test on this thing and comparing it to spec. If it does turn out to be verified that it is a bad head gasket, then we'll continue the video series on how to replace the head gasket on this model of car. So it should be a pretty informative little series. This isn't your normal little Honda Civic hot rods that everybody likes. It's a pretty lame, tame passenger car, but learning how to troubleshoot and replace a head gasket is something that a lot of entry-level guys need to know. So I hope you guys are looking forward to the video series. Look for maybe one episode a week. And we'll try to keep them short and sweet so that you guys can watch them in your spare time without having to sit down and make time for it. So stay tuned for the longer ones coming up.